A first-of-its-kind, fully pre-welded aluminum railing system, the AL13 collection by Fortress Railing offers superior efficiency and security for your home. Laying out your entire project can be done in these 3 easy steps. Standard railing heights are 36 and 42 inches, so check your local requirements before purchasing. AL13 posts are available in 3x3 inch dimensions and come with a coordinating skirt to give your posts a well-executed look every time. If you're installing on staircase, use taller posts to allow for the stair panel to rack to the correct angle. The level AL13 panels are offered in 6-foot and 8-foot lengths, while the AL13 adjustable stair panel is available in just an 8-foot length. These panels are designed in nominal lengths for symmetrical baluster spacing. Check out the product specifications to ensure that you choose the correct size for your section. Panels may be divided or trimmed as necessary, but please make sure to coat any cut ends with Fortress Touch-Up spray paint to keep them protected. The universal rail bracket for the AL13 series makes panel installation brief and straightforward. This joint can be purchased for straight, angled, or staircase runs and comes in 2 sturdy pieces to connect your rails and then cover and protect your hardware. These brackets are sold in packs of 4 to accommodate each railing section and include color matching screws for a swift installation. The entire AL13 railing system, as well as a gamut of post cap options and accessories, is in stock and ready for you right here at DecksDirect.com.
Hey, thanks for watching. My name is Travis. I'm one of the content specialists here at DecksDirect. If you have any questions or comments, call us at 888-824-5316, or you can visit us at DecksDirect.com. And if you found this video helpful, like, comment, and subscribe. We'd love to hear from you.